So welcome back to the channel. So I'm Jonas and I'm into cars, bikes, anything with wheels, 4x4s, outdoors, and DIY. So today we're going to be working on the Sayat of my pretty daughter. So this is our Sayat project. What do you call this project? Rosita? So the Arosa the Rosita? Rosita the Arosa. So we are working on this today while we're waiting for, because our main problem for the Sayat is the immobilizer. So we haven't had luck with our softwares. So while we're waiting for that, we're gonna drain the gas tank, because if you remember, I posted about AA Ignition. They are selling fuel pumps, and the one that I bought from them failed after a couple of months, and surprisingly, they replaced it. So thumbs up to AA Ignition. So they send the fuel pump, and then instead of us just installing it, we might as well clean the fuel tank. As I've said, we are doing this as in from scratch. We want everything to be flawless. Like for example, the starter that we did, I tried to eliminate it as a troubleshooting factor in the future. So let's clean the tank, and that will be our task for today, and install the fuel pump. Let's do this. So we jack this up and then put some jack stands, and then it is going to be very basic. So it's just where is it? Two straps. So this strap and the other one, and it's bolted by, I don't know, a 14 maybe. Let's see. So then we're just gonna remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. And that's it. We can drop the pan. Don't believe that guy. He said 4 bolts. So that he was referring to these 4 bolts. We took this out. We had to actually remove the rear subframe, which they call torsion beam. Of course, we removed the tires, we removed the shocks, we removed this tank cover, this mud guard, because this is blocking the pipe, the hose, the pipe, the gas filler pipe. That is the reason why we had to remove all these bolts, because let me show you. So the filler hose is actually plastic welded on the tank. So there's no way for me to remove this without dropping the sub rear frame. Would it be easier if I cut this off and then put a hose later on? But nah, that's just gonna cause more problems in the future. So dropping the subframe is actually, I would say, much more productive, because at the same time I can look at whatever is under. So before we clean the tank, let's install the fuel pump. So this is a fuel pump which came from AA Ignition. So they sent me a replacement. So we haven't tested this. So they pushed through. According to their website, they will give you a lifetime warranty
Is it lifetime or 10 years? I don't know. Let's check out. I'll check out the web page, but they did push through and send me a new one because theirs broke after 3 months. So let's install this. Now, I haven't tested this, so maybe because I don't want to test this dry, so maybe I'll put some gas in it and then let's test it. So it's clean. So it's time to put back the tank. Hanggang mag-click. Okay.